Learn how to hypnotically connect with anyone instantly. Yes, my friend. Learn how to connect with anyone, hypnotically connect with anyone instantly. Now, my friend, I have a question for you. With how many times it happened with you? You met a person very first time and felt an instant connection as if you know the person for years. Or it might also happen with you that you want to connect with someone, or you know somebody, you live with a person, or your colleague, you work with them for years, but still you don't have any connection with that person. Happen? Do you know what is the reason is? Yes, my friend. Many times you like somebody, you wanted to connect with that person, but still something happened, they don't want to connect with you or they want to stay away with you. It may be your client, it can be your boss, it can be your colleagues, it can be opposite sex, it can be anybody. Now, my friend, connection is very, very important in sales, marketing, persuasion and relationship. So, my friend, I am Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. I have created a very powerful workshop on how to connect with the people instantly, hypnotically connect with the people instantly. Imagine you have a tool to connect with the people instantly, not their conscious mind, into their subconscious mind. So they feel automatically connected with you. I like to work with you, they trust you, they want to do the business with you. Imagine you have this wonderful, powerful tool to meet anybody first time, and within a few seconds you have created a powerful rapport. You have created a powerful instant connection with the person. So the person wants to talk to you, want to work with you, and they like you. So my friend, this is a powerful hypnotic technique which is never taught before. And then the interesting part is, once you learn this technique, you will be able to improve your sales, marketing, relationships, and you will build instant connection doing simple things which you already do. Some of the things which you are not aware of it, you will learn in this 21 days WhatsApp workshop. You can turn just stranger into a good friends. You will establish connection and you will maintain them as long as you want. So my friend, I am conducting a 21-day workshop on WhatsApp, and it's a very powerful workshop, never ever taught before. Yes, my friend, these are the secrets which has been never taught before. Top NLP trainers, top hypnotists, top persuaders, they're hidden with themselves. Even the top salesperson in India and abroad, they use the same technique unknowingly. They use a part of it. So you're going to learn a specific technique, practical exercises, and you learn by doing it at the end of this course. Imagine you're going to meet somebody very first time and you felt an instant connection. You create an instant connection with a person. It may be sales, marketing, with the opposite sex, with your boss. Even if your boss, you can convince them to increase your, raise your salary. Or you can improve your relationship with your colleagues in the office instantly. When you're traveling somewhere, meeting people, you look at the people, you are getting bored or something, you pick up somebody, connect an instant connection with them, and you can start talking to them, and they will love to talk and be with you. So do you really want to take your life to a next level? You want to take your connections to the next level? You want to take your persuasion level to the next level? This is a course for you. Now remember, my friend, this is a WhatsApp workshop. You will be getting lessons every day for 21 days. It will be in the WhatsApp group. We will sending you, it's a video lessons. Yes, I'll send you a video lessons, and you will get a simple handouts also, so which you can use it in your practice. By the day when the workshop start, by the day the workshop get over on 21st day, and when you do this exercise within the first 21 days only, you will start connecting with the people easily, instantly, my friend. So if you really want to become a powerful persuader, salesperson, or want to impress others, influence others, to have more connection in your life, so you can live happily, you can make more money, this is a course for you. So register right now. See you 9 p.m. First day 9 p.m. After that every day you get a lesson between 5 to 6. So take charge of your life, impress people, connect with the people and have a wonderful life, my friend. Thank you very much.